Let me walk you through the process of creating pop-ups and adding images in Figma2Flutter. The first thing I'll do is draw a Figma frame. This will be my main screen. Next, I'll create another frame in the same way to serve as a pop-up. I'll set the background color for the pop-up screen. Now, I'll add some text nodes and some images inside my main screen. And I'll add a few icons that will trigger the pop-up. On the second screen, I'll change the fill opacity to about 35% to get a nice appearance. Now, I'm ready to go to the Prototype tab and add navigation between the icon and the message. When I'm finished, I'll run the Figma2Flutter plugin from the top bar, or by using the Option-Command-P shortcut. Now it's time to select Screen 1 and annotate the Screen property in the Figma2Flutter plugin menu. For the pop-up frame, I select Pop-up property in the Figma2Flutter plugin menu. Then press the blue Export as Flutter Project button. My web browser should automatically open with the Figma tab. When it does, I'll press the Allow Access button to let the plugin generate code. Next, I'll download the generated code. If you're following along, open a downloaded project named Archive in your Flutter environment. I used Visual Studio Code for this demo. In the Flutter console, run the flutter pub-get command to download all the dependencies required to run the project. Note that you only need to use this command once when running your project for the first time. If you're editing an existing project, just run the Flutter packages upgrade command. Once all the dependencies are updated, I'll run the flutter run dchrome command to start my project. And I'll press the menu icon to see how the pop-up appears. Note that there's only a slight difference between the look of menus and pop-ups. In the console log, I can confirm that a specific screen or pop-up is loaded. This confirmation is available every time a new screen or pop-up is displayed.